From Wolford Elementary, Kristi Gray.
Those kids that struggle or just don't want to be here, like that's what gets me going. And that's what makes me try even harder.
A webbed foot exploration. So you are going to look at animals that are aquatic versus terrestrial.
We all want to have fun at school. We all want to have fun in our lives, so they shouldn't be sitting here, painfully getting through it. And I think that's one of the things that throughout teaching the last 3 years with science is that was really my goal, is like, how hands-on can I make this, I know there's notes to take and things to, write down, because that's part of it too, but how can I just really make this hands-on and those moments matter, that they really remember them. That's really been my goal the last 3 years, and I feel like I've done a pretty good job. Of course, there's still work to do, but I'm pretty proud of myself.